G'day, Graham here. Tonight I'm going to respond to a video from Lockergnome. He wants to know, what does your alarm clock sound like? Well, I don't use an alarm clock. I'm a person who lives in the 21st century and I use a mobile phone as an alarm clock. I threw my alarm clock away probably about 7 years ago or so when I got my mobile phone. Would you like to hear it? Okay. It'll scream at me right now. See, it's coming alive right now, look. This is the tone it makes. It goes pretty crazy. And sometimes I like to lay in bed to listen to the whole tone. It's quite fun. It gets very loud. It gets quite upset if you don't answer it, and it vibrates too. So who needs a normal alarm clock when you have a mobile phone? He's getting quite upset. Vibrates harder. And then, when it stops, it rings again in 10 minutes. Anyway, now you know what my alarm clock sounds like, and it's really my mobile phone. Anyway, take care of yourself. Bye for now.